the level of rugby back home is very low. Like it's not that great. So for us bringing them into the World Cup, it's kind of short span of time to spend with them. So it is a big learning for them. Like most of them are just learning how to run block lines, how to run backdoor, how to identify opportunities in front of them. Yeah, definitely having the supporters supporting Fiji against England. So it's always a massive boost for us. But at the end of the day, we need to perform to make those supporters happy. A big work on for us is just to clean the rucks. Against England, we didn't look after the rucks properly. They disrupt our rucks this week. This morning we did cleaning out rucks, and the purpose of doing it and the reason of doing that ruck, cleaning it properly, it will provide some space on the outside for our backs, for our wingers to score some tries. So we are proud of our attack. It just came to one stage that they were putting on tries and the girls start to get bored. So that professionalism in them still hasn't kicked in yet. Like I said, their mindset is still grassroots at the moment. So we are trying our best to change their mindset into this week's game against South Africa. And no doubt we'll put a better performance.